Hello programmers. Basically, today in this video I will discuss an interesting feature of a Remix homepage. Okay, so this is the Remix website. So if I scroll down, and you can see that there is a part called without remix and with remix. Basically, if we don't use remix, then this will be happen, and if we use remix, then this will be happen. So this is a blank page initially, and this is the current state. Okay, if I scroll down, then you can see the document is loading. Okay, document is loading, and if I scroll down more, you can see there it says this is fake, keep scrolling. That means I have to scroll more. And in the left side, without remix part, the root.js file is started downloading, but in this case nothing is started. So if I scroll down more, you can see that nothing came here. Okay, so and now within the with remix part, you can see that the UI already rendered, and I can see the overall output, and the root.js cells and other files started downloading, but I can see the output. Actually, I can see output instantly, but in the left side I can't see any output. Still I can't see any output. If I scroll down more, you can see only the sidebar, not the page content, only the sidebar. Okay, so after downloading the root.js, you can see the sidebar. If I scroll down more, you can see that the invoices and invoice.js file is downloaded. It is downloading behind the scene after showing the UI, but in the left part, it is the case. Basically, after the downloading everything, then it will show you the output. Okay, so if I scroll down more, you can see the cells top part is showing here. Basically the navigation part. Okay, this is the navigation part is basically loading, not showing actually. So if I scroll down more, you can see this. Now this is showing. Okay, the navigation part is uh, displaying. Okay, if I scroll down more, and this time you can see that the output is loaded, but still you can't see this part is still loading. I means downloading. Invoice.js is downloading, but in the right side you can see that all the stuff is already completed, and this is super fast. So if I scroll down more, and finally after downloaded this file invoice id.json, basically dynamic part, so you can see the output actually here. Okay, you can see the UI result, but you can already understand that what it means actually. And this is too much slow, and this is super fast, blazing fast, you can say. And it shows it displays me it renders the UI instantly. Basically, if I scroll down to top, you can see that in this stage, after downloading the document, you can see that the UI rendered instantly, but still the JavaScript file not downloaded yet, but you can see the UI at least. Okay, so this is the difference without remix and with remix. So this is the video. Thank you for watching.